I'm Cole.
I'm Zach.
I'm Phillip.
This is our installation project. Here are our constraints. Our goal was to have a minimal heat loss outside of the box. It had to have a thickness less than or equal to 1 inch. Had to have a consistent internal composition. Had to be environmentally friendly, recyclable, and economical. And again, it had to confine to the 8x8x1 constraints.
This is our box. Pretty much it was cardboard, paper, cotton, paper, cardboard. It was like 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches, and it was only 1 inch thick. This is our graph. So the blue is the inside the box temperature, and the red is the outside the box temperature. They both started off about the same, but between the first 20 minutes when it was rising, and the outside was rising, that's when the heat was on. And then when it started falling, we turned the heat off. And then the box, inside the box obviously got less, but the outside the box actually stayed higher for a little bit longer, but then it slowly started to get cooler.
So this is our math. So initially, our initial internal temperature is 25.9 Celsius, and then our maximum internal temperature got up to 60.4. That's the point where we turn off the light, and then we waited another 20 minutes of cooling, and our final internal temperature is 43.6 Celsius. Same goes with the initial room temperature. We measure the outside of it is 24.6, and then maximum is when we did 20 minutes of light on, and then we got 32, and then light off for 20 minutes is 29.6. So our max internal and max room temperature difference is 28.4 Celsius. Energy gain in the box, here's our math. Here's the mass of the air. This is the specific heat capacity. And then our maximum, our final and our initial. When we actually heated the box, we got 148.7 joules of energy gain in the box. And then same goes for the energy loss outside. We just started our final from the point where we cooled off, and then the point where we turned off. That's our final. And then we used the initial where we just started from the final. When we initially turned off the cooling. And then energy retained, we got 76.29 joules. And then percent retained is 51.3%.
A little higher than 33.
That's our
Just a tad.
That's
That's our
everything.
Okay.